Chennai, and we'll be doing a quick demo of Spot Easy. Let me start with a very simple story. There was once upon a time this family which wanted to buy a television. They went to a store and they got an Easy TV because this happened a little while ago in ancient times. And that Easy TV stayed with them not for 2 years, 5 years, but it stayed with them for a lifetime. Now let's look at the world now. I don't think that's the case anymore. If I have to go and buy a television, I have 500 televisions to choose from. And each one comes packaged with a different kind of a technology. Each one, comes with a different kind of a look and feel, different price ranges. You name any consumer durable right now in India, and you will have at least 10 brands to choose from. Whether it's mobiles, whether it's microwaves, whether it's MP3 players. You have so many of them. So consumers are constantly trying to make buying decisions. And you base these buying decisions either by researching on the web or by some recommendation that you get from a friend, from your family, etc. Now our product vision is that there should be just 2 steps to find the right product. It's not just about product search, but it's about product recommendation, where the most recommended product for your needs will come first. Now let's do a small demo. I'm looking for a new phone. So let's say I'm looking for a Nokia with great camera and Bluetooth capability. I don't have both of these on my phone right now. And you just type that. And there you go. You have a set of phones. You can see how many results you got. You can see that we've refined it based on camera, which means that we've not just shown you what the top phones are, but we're showing you what the top phone for camera specifically is. So it tells me a Nokia N93 is there's a Nokia N80. Satish, I think 30 grand is a little too high for me to spend on a phone right now. Let's reduce it to, let's say, 15K. So I specify my budget, and it again tells me which are the phones ranked in order of best choice for my particular need. Now what does this ranked in order of best choice mean? How does Spot Easy arrive at this? It takes into consideration 3 things basically. It computes the score for a product based on its technical capability. It reads through different reviews from the web, analyzes them, like it could be reviews from CNET or an InfoSync World, and it computes a score. And it also analyzes user opinions that are expressed in the web. Let's take a look at what is it that you can see on the right hand side. You can take a look at the product specifications. What are the different features available for connectivity, for business, call management. You can see the score that has been arrived at. You can see the buzz for each product. So the buzz essentially is manufacturer's claim. What do experts have to say? How much positive, how much negative? What do users have to say? What's the score according to technical capability? And you can go and read more on each one of these if you want. Like you can go to the product homepage, read more expert reviews, read more user opinions. Then you can take a look at deals. Now this we've currently scraped from the web and we've brought it, but the whole idea is to get location-specific deals filled up over here. You can take a look at the look, how it appears from different directions. And this is powered by a Yahoo API. Internet is not on, so I think we'll skip that. Let's quickly go to compare. I can compare whatever products that I want to. So let's just select the first 3 and compare. Now on the compare page, I can remove products that I don't want to compare anymore. I can add products from my previous search query. And of course, I can see a whole list of, which are the specifications there, which are not there, what features have been rated positively, what has been rated negatively, and different things for that. Let's jump over to the previous search. We'll try to run another query, but a little differently. We use the advanced search feature. Now using advanced search, let's say I choose a brand. I don't want to go in for Nokia anymore. Let's say I go in with a Sony and a Samsung maybe. And I choose my camera resolution. I say that I want it between 1 and 2 megapixels. So there you go, you see a modified query above. I apply and search. And it gives me a set of results. Now what else can you really do with this search interface? What we really wanted to do was a single point from where you can get all the information that you ever wanted to have about products. I can do a comparison from here itself. I can do, let's say, N73 versus W900i. both of them are more or less competing music phones in the same price range. Okay, so there you have Nokia N93 is rated high. But Satish, I think I need a phone which has better music and display. So let's see which comes first then. There you go, so it says that W900i is a better phone. Some of the other things that you can do is you can combine features, you can combine specifications that you would want from a single search interface. Let's try a little longer query. Let's say I'm looking for a user-friendly phone with a talk time of at least 500 minutes and price range of less than 5 grand. That's actually a syntax for any kind of a range that you're giving, whether it's a price or a talk time or resolution. There you go. It gives me a set of results. Let's try another one. Let's assume for a minute that I go on a lot of business trips and I'm really high flying. So I'm looking for a quad band phone maybe and with Wi-Fi, which is Wi-Fi enabled. So we could try that query and take a look. So there you go, you have a set of results. So this is in a sense what SpotEasy does. You can go and try the system. It's not yet live. We will go live at spoteasy.com, www.spoteasy.com. And what we're really looking for is we're still in alpha, and this prototype works only for mobiles. We want to add lots of consumer durables down the road. We're looking for early adopters feedback. Okay, we want people like you to come, use our system and give us feedback. So we have something like a closed alpha. So if any of you is interested, you just have to go to our landing page and you just drop us a line at the email over there and we'll give you an invite. The business opportunity that we see is from the fact that if you look at last year's statistics, close to 10 million units were sold, consumer durable units were sold last year. So that's the opportunity. Now these were sold based on some kind of recommendation, whether online, offline, through friends, whatever it is, or anything. It is based on some kind of a recommendation. That's the market that we're really trying to tap. And we hope to get this up on mobiles also soon. Later in this year, we're also looking for some kind of funding. So I guess that's what we have for you today. Thank you very much.